everyone. I'll quickly go through a new module that we have developed, which is called as the Reflective Anesthesia Logbook. This is present here. Reflective means that you can learn as you enter your log data, that you will learn from each and every individual patient, that so that you can improve the quality and safety of your anesthetic practice. So click on Reflective Anesthesia Logbook. Here you can see 4 tabs. Enter a new case, view or edit the existing one. If you've tagged any special cases, you can review them and you can click to view the reports. So click on Enter New Case, which will take you to the new page. A case number is auto-generated. You can enter the date when the case was done, the time, which is useful for data analytics. You can put in a personal reference, and it will help you to identify this case for a future reference. Then it goes through systematically through the patient journey, preoperative data, which includes age of the patient. You can select the gender, you can select the ASA. If you know the weight, you can enter the weight. If you don't know, you can leave it blank, but it is useful to help the calculate the BMI. Some of these data are auto-populated from previous data entry. If you know the height and weight, it will help to identify the BMI. Will be useful for you to showcase the BMI range of patients that you have done for different anesthetics. Then choose the specialty. Multiple specialties are, if it is not on your list, you can click on others. So then you can choose it. Then you can choose the surgical location, which can be anything, and procedure. Now this is you can either auto type it, or there is a pre-populated list. So for example, this is fracture neck of femur. I can include this, or else I can type it, type the name of the procedure. Anesthesia, elective or emergency, then these are auto-populated based on your experience level. Again, these are auto-populated from the data entry that I have done. Then you can choose the techniques you have done, different techniques, or if you have done any special procedures for each of these. When you click each of them, the list comes up of different procedures that you have done. For example, in this case, if I've used Thrive Optiflow or intubation through LMA or any of these procedure, I can use that. If not, I don't have to. If I've used an arterial line, I can click, so that I will have a log of all the arterial lines that I've done, or even a central venous catheter lines, the number of cases where you have done the BIS monitoring. And then you can check if you have clicked on GA technique. This will show up, where you can choose whether it was inhalational or TIVA. Then what was the airway management. If you have done a nerve block, you can show which nerve block, where it was done, and different nerve blocks are auto-populated as you choose. You can choose the technique that you have done and identify whether it was success or partial success. To identify the definitions, you can just click on these things, and you can then click on that. You can enter special notes. For example, if you want to do a post-op review in general, you can put as a complex case and put some notes, so that you can reflect on anesthesia practice, so that you can improve with the next case that you do, and then click on save. Once the logbook is there, you will see the data that you have entered shows up, and then you can also save it to export to PDF. This becomes the log of your own cases that you can keep it with you or leave it in the digital world. You can go and view and edit the existing cases in this screen, and you can see the cases that you have entered by date and time is available. You can review the special cases, or you can look at the reports. When you look at the reports, there are different filters that are available based on date and time. You can choose different date and time to filter the reports, and age range if you want to, speciality or types of anesthesia you've done, and then click generate. You can save the whole thing as a PDF, And you can see just in this demo version I've entered 3 cases. Your logbook is now available in graphs and charts, and it will show you the different kinds of blocks you have done, different kinds of anesthesia you have provided, different kinds of techniques you have done. Everything is available automated through graphs and charts. Thank you very much for watching this.